Hi friends, welcome my channel. Fabric rose design, rose latkan design, triangle piece, square and rose design. Please subscribe my channel. New trending latkan design. Holding the triangle opposite and join the extra one triangle piece and folding the piece triangle shape. I use this design 3 pieces and dory, folding the edges piece, starting edge piece folding, turn the piece, turning the piece, rose design, rose flower. Please subscribe. How is this design? Please comment my channel. Please
Thank
subscribe
you
my
all
channel.
watching.
Comment please. Thank you.